transportation projects can face delays and rising costs due to unknown utility conditions below the ground. When unexpected utility conflicts are discovered during construction, they can lead to change orders, delays, and increased costs. Subsurface Utility Engineering, or SU, addresses this challenge by helping agencies locate and map underground utilities early in the planning and design process.
Subsurface Utility Engineering is a subdiscipline of civil engineering, and it combines civil engineering, geophysics, and surveying to accurately depict the existing utilities. The way it works is it goes through a system of processes to both depict the utilities, to identify conflicts, provide the state of those utilities, and then depict that in a format that project teams can use to make decisions and to mitigate utility conflicts.
A typical SU study includes mapping utilities at defined quality levels, identifying potential conflicts, evaluating utility conditions, planning relocation or design adjustments, and communicating accurate information to project stakeholders. The American Society of Civil Engineers has developed a standard of practice for SU investigations called ASC 3822. By applying these standards during project development, agencies can reduce uncertainty before construction begins. States that use SU report fewer utility-related change orders, increase safety, cost and time savings, and improve damage prevention.
We've been utilizing subsurface utility engineering for over a decade now. We have utilized it in rural projects, we've utilized it in urban projects, major projects, intersection improvements, interchange reconstruction, and what we found is that we have been able to lower risk significantly across these various project types. Subsurface utility engineering is an absolute must for any agency that is serious about delivery, serious about providing infrastructure solutions that are going to make your communities better. If you're serious about creating efficiencies in delivering the overall project, you absolutely have to consider subsurface utility engineering. Our experience has been it's worth the investment. It really does make a difference, and ultimately, our communities are worth it.
Learn about this innovation and more at the EDC-8 website.